Honestly, I thought we were cooked. My client and I and his parents, who had accompanied him to all the court dates, we were out in the hallway. Prosecutor probably went back to her office, and we're waiting. And I kid you not, it was within 15 minutes, the court officer came back out. And I thought they were going to say the jury has a question or something, because they can have questions. Said we got a verdict. And I don't know. I had a pit in my
I
stomach.
could imagine when you were told they've reached the verdict in 15 minutes. What the hell was going through your mind? I can imagine, but I got to hear it from you.
Honestly, I thought we were cooked. I thought, she told a good story. It's he said, she said to an extent, but I just thought it's easier to say, yes, he did it, than it would be to say no. And I just thought if they really were digging into all the stuff I said, it would have taken them more than 15 minutes between 6 different people, going back and forth. They couldn't have possibly even talked about all of the points that I made. And I thought they were all important points. And they must have just said he did it right off the bat.
Right.
So I had a pit in my stomach. So as we've already spoiled that, once we heard the jury find the defendant not guilty, and immediately I could see the client was tearing up, gave me a hug. His parents were in the audience, and they were both, hugging each other. And it was, the feeling. It's hard to explain, but it's such it's great. It's a huge win, but it's also just a relief, is all that pressure that you have. It's I could finally take a deep breath again too.
It's not about It's not about winning. It's you saved a life. This man has his life restored. People undermine or undervalue, especially prosecutors, and I'll say a lot of judges. You'll be like, oh, he's only in jail pre-trial, or oh, it's only 6 months. Like your client was looking at 6 months in jail. Most people, if you take them and put them in jail for 6 months, they're gonna lose everything. So even after the brief jail term is over, the impacts on a person's life could last years or forever. So it's,
oh yeah. Building up from scratch with everything, with possessions, with your everything
your
in
house,
your home,
your car, it's all gone.